per time. So say if you have a loop circuit here, and the magnetic field, the magnet is coming in and the magnetic field is stronger, you have stronger voltage. So that if the change is larger, your voltage is larger. So that's called Faraday's law. Okay, this is also important part of the Maxwell equation. This is okay. Say changing field. So if you so this is the same. So say this is magnetic field. This cross magnetic field is coming towards you, and then you move this bar. Then in this circuit, magnetic field is increasing, right? You include more and more this X. So you have a voltage and then current. Nothing difficult, right? And direction, you use this right thumb again. So the say magnetic field is increasing this way. You use the right hand, and then the current, these 4 fingers point the direction the current is going. Okay, that's called Lenz's law. Okay, and then this Lenz's law is okay. Lenz's law, the direction of the induced current is to oppose the changes that give rise to it. So if the magnet is coming in, so magnetic field here is increasing, then current is going to run to oppose it. So you come, N is coming here, right? So you don't want N to come in. So N is going to be like this. So the current is going to this way. You know, like they hate each other. You know, like boys and girls. So if boys comes in, the girls going, oh no, don't come, right? That's the direction the electricity is going. That makes sense, right? That's from the energy conservation. The energy is not created without anything, so it must be opposed direction. Okay, so here it's the change that matters. So if it's coming, then there's a Faraday's law, and then there's a currency here. But if it's stopping, then nothing changes, so there's no current. So if the magnet comes in, there's electricity, but when it stops, there's no current. When it's stopping, say there's no current here. Okay. To electronic generators, it's something that uses this. Okay, maybe I ran out of time, so maybe I continue next time. Okay, so unfortunately it's time to stop, so I continue from here next time. And then Friday I'll be online, right? So I'm going to join here. I'll be here somewhere. So you know, that's the situation. Okay, thank you very much for your presentations, and then please do well on your report. Okay, let's see you next time.